Video log, Cheryl Fuller, Thankful Thursdays. I know, right? I was relaxing. I kind of changed, got in my cozies, and I realized that the I had some more information that I wanted to share with you guys. If you are struggling with getting your kids to sit at the dinner table without any games or anything such, what worked for me and what I would ask my kids, because sometimes you get a little tooed, and so what I would say to them, and it worked every time, and then we actually got into a really good habit, because I just dawned on me that when we all sit at the dinner table, none of us have our phones, and none of us have. I may have mine more than they do, if you know what I mean, and so I thought, oh wow, I remembered. My kids are getting way older now, but I remembered what I used, and I wanted to share it with you. So what I used to say to them is I would just say, hey, really nicely, always connected heart center and anchoring your higher self before you even walk in your kids' room. I do that still to this day. I always take a deep breath and I go connected heart center before I walk in the room. You get a better reaction out of your kids. Trust me, try it. Yeah, don't take my word for it. Just do it. Try it yourself. So I would just say, hey, just give me 5 minutes. Very sweet like. Get more bees with honey, right? So I would just say, yeah, can you just give me 5 minutes? With the, at the dinner table. You would be surprised at how long 5 minutes, and then you're going to be surprised at how much your kids enjoy it. All right, guys, that was a little vlog just for that. All right, guys, bye.